we have to close the LCD-Pro demo plugin. Close it, and then run the display demo plugin. So display demo plugin allow you to try the touch screen. So you can see I'm touching the LCD screen, and you can see X and Y coming out. It also allow you to display some of the image from the PC to the display. So you can click any of the JPEG file on your left hand side panel, and you can see it displayed. Okay, one of the image here, 17, is what basically I copied to a folder and changed the name. This is a photo I took. So if you see, you can select auto size and stretch, so to see the full picture. If it's not auto size, then you will not see the full picture. Okay, so we're doing a slideshow. You can adjust the delay. I'm using 20 milliseconds now. Display option. The one that I'm using, the display, is not the one that come with the LCD-Pro kit. It's number 0, and this one, Toshiba. You can select 20, but actually, since you have number 20, you don't have to do a selection. But if you're using a different display, you can do that. You can adjust the brightness and also the contrast. Turn off the backlight. Turn on the backlight. You can turn off the display. And once you light the display, the display will you will see color bar, because we clear the RAM and then show the display in color bar. If you select 8-bit or 22-bit, you will see a strange behavior because the display itself is 16-bit color depth. If you adjust the stripe, you will also see it. It would move from vertical to either. You will see a slide here because it's not matching the width, because it has to be 800 times 2. Display the overlay option. We can have up to 4 layers here. Layer 0 is the background layer, so you cannot see anything here. What you see, the background layer is a color bar. We can add source. Any source in your PC, you can add it. If you use add source, you can change the parameter here. So even though it's a 32-bit, you can change it to 16-bit. So color depth, so you will convert it. Here, let's do it again. Provide a file, click OK. If you want to do add source, then you will see an error because the image width is 1920, and you don't have a 1920 by 4 stripe. Because your stripe need to be 1920 by 4, because it's a 24-bit RGB. It takes 4 bytes per pixel. So we just add it. So we don't want to add that. Okay. The other way to add more source is quickly add several files. But the thing is, you can do that quickly, but the thing is you cannot modify the parameters of each JPEG file. These are the files we add. So let's enable layer 3. So you see garbage data here, because inside the RAM is still garbage. We set it to 0, which is the layer 0 address, and you will not see anything because I didn't move the layer. Okay, I move layer 3. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to do the color key feature. We can remove a color. So let's set white color. So RGB all equal to 255. and then check the box transparent, so you see the white going away because it's transparent. Okay, and then let's do a scroll. See when I'm moving the X, the upper left X and Y move. Now I'm scrolling to the left. Okay, now you see the black is still transparent. So now it's not transparent. I change it to all 0, so it becomes black color. So the black color is transparent now. Okay, so when I scroll it, you see the black color is gone. It's transparent. I can adjust the alpha blending. Okay, let's add another layer. Layer number 2. So see some garbage data here. Yeah, we want to add a photo. Okay, you see a flower here. Now I can remove layer 3 and adjust the alpha. So I can transparent the black color. So you see the black color is gone. It's transparent. Okay. Let's make the size smaller. Okay. Then scroll it to the left. So you see it's transparent. You see the color bar. You can see through the flower. See the color bar. Okay. Just the transparency. You see it, and then you don't. Okay. And add another layer. You just copy the address, the base address of layer 2 to layer 1. So those 2 layers will be the same. Now you still see garbage data. So let's take a look why you see garbage data. See your layer 1. This is your layer 2. So you see the layer 2, the color depth is 32-bit. And your layer 1 is 16-bit. So it's not right. So you have to set it to 32-bit. Still not right because you don't have the correct stripe. So 32-bit. So you need to adjust the stripe. See. Okay. So let's take a look. Now layer 2 stripe is 3200. So we change the layer 1, adjust the stripe. Now you see layer 1 and layer 2. They are rendering from the same memory address. Now this is layer 3. So all 3 layers overlap together. You can move it, you can adjust the transparency, you can adjust alpha blending, or you can change a different color, a different photo. You can use a different photo. We are using the ID 8 MH07 on layer 1. So let's take away number 2 and number 3 by lower their alpha value. So now you see only layer 1. Okay, that's all we have on the LCD demo, display demo. Thank you.